Welcome, guys. Today we're starting our course, which is really exciting thing. We will master functional programming fundamentals, and as well, we will try to learn some advanced concepts. I would say, in general, if you attend all the lectures in this course, you will take really big knowledge from this course. Uh, we will be writing all the code on JavaScript because JavaScript is a language of functional programming, I would say. Yes, JavaScript has object oriented where we have prototype inheritance and it's getting like really nasty, I would say. It's getting like really tricky really fast, and because of that, functional programming is more easier to understand, or it depends, but for me, let's say in JavaScript, for functional programming, I have everything to, in general, master, and I don't need to master it in Haskell, let's say, or in different functional programming language. Yeah, JavaScript has everything to do with it, and because of that, we will be mastering, of course, the JavaScript, but in general, functional programming, and this will give you big opportunities as in the JavaScript field as well in different programming languages if you don't like, let's say. So our main focus will be functional programmings. I will show you the syllabus today as well. I will discuss what we will cover in this course. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Rezi. Hello, everyone. I'm a senior developer in line dev. I'm from Georgia, Tbilisi, and we are trying to build something special. And as well, we have this YouTube channel to find and give opportunity to started developers to grow themselves, to learn basics, learn advanced concepts. We were taking this not like so serious because of the schedule we have, but currently I'm available to take and show my skills and to teach a lot of people worldwide, not in Georgia, and give you this opportunity. I will really appreciate as well if you like, subscribe, and also click the notification button because we gonna uploading every single day, so don't miss our lectures. And as well, I would say, in the comment section, I want to see activities. I want to see that you are doing your best to learn, to grow, to start, to land your first job. And because of that, we might create a Discord server as well where it will be like helpful topics where you will meet our experienced developers in our academy, in our team, and you might land a job in line dev as well. We giving you this opportunity, and we are starting this journey with functional programming. Our stack is JavaScript. In general, JavaScript is a great language. It's my first language I ever learned. I love from the first second. It's been 5 years I'm a developer, and it's time to show you my skills and see and understand the concepts you need to master, and you need to become a great developer. Okay, and because of that, as I mentioned, we're starting the course, and in this course will be couple topics will give you good understanding, good knowledge to how program, to how code, to how understand the functional programming. Yes, now somebody might will say that JavaScript is object-oriented programming language, but guys, if you have been there, there is a prototype inheritance. There is really tricky parts you should understand, you should master, you should remember. And even though when the code grows, when it goes up to 10K lines, or even less, or even more, I'm just saying as a I'm just saying as a I'm just saying as a role. Yeah, you can master, but you know, for object-oriented programming languages, I believe for myself there's way better programming languages. But if we're talking about functional programming, here we go. Here we are starting our first ever journey on English language, international, worldwide. And today I will show you guys, as its introduction, what we will be covering, what we will be discussing, what we will be writing, what we will be doing, right? Okay, let's start. And our first part will be mainly focused about pure functions, okay? Because in functional programming, pure functions are the main skeleton, I would say. It's easier to test, it's easier to write, it's easier to understand. Like literally everything goes to pure functions. If you have function is that pure, then it's really easy to maintain your code. It's really easy to understand. It's really easy to share with your teammates. It's really easy to add the features. Okay, I'm talking about it's really easy in general, right? The coding is not easy at all, but if we're talking about the levels and understanding, and if you are in the game, then for you it will be easy to become functional developer. So first part will be our lectures, um, main goal, couple of lectures, because we will talk really a lot of first to touch the ground to see what is the fundamentals of pure functions. So we will be talking about that, right? Okay, it's been a long. I have used this, and okay, I don't know why it's not writing right now. Maybe I have something problem with it. I don't know. Okay, what the wait. Okay, guys, 1 second. I don't know what's going on here. Let me just refresh. Delete these. I want to write just text. Mother fucker. Okay. Okay, I don't know, guys, why it's not giving me like to write. It was working before. What the heck? What the fuck? Okay, 1 second. Oh, okay, maybe this one. Okay, finally, guys, we are lucky enough to handle this. It's tough journey, guys. It's tough journey. Okay, let me get rid of this piece of something. And okay, first will be pure funks. Okay, I will write funks. It will be our first main goal. Okay, is it? It's not giving me like I. Okay. Why it's like so small? This is our first part. Pure functions, right? We will cover what is pure functions, what is how to write pure functions, okay? Like, and how to understand, how to manage, why and where to write pure functions, and etc. The second part will be recursion. Recursion is really important part. In general, let me do like this. I don't care. No, it doesn't care. Like it really doesn't care. Okay, guys, I'm struggling right now. Like this. Fuck. Can I do now this? Okay, that's a bit weird. I don't know. Like, what the? Oh, maybe. Oh shit. Yeah, I remember one time in lecture I had the same issue. It was like really far, and then like it wasn't writing anything. Okay, so fuck, let's do it like this. Let's do it this. Let me write like this. Finally, it's writing. Okay, first will be pure functions. Second part will be, as I mentioned, recursion. Yeah, and we'll understand like what is recursion in general, where can I just like use, and what to do like in general with recursion functions. Okay, next topic will be in our course. This is high order function. This is like really important concept in functional programming in general. If you are coming from, let's say, React, and I'm a React developer. If you are a React developer, you're OG. My respect to you. And yeah, React is like something that is coming from the functional programming. React is just a function. If we take like Next.js, it's like madness. Like the Next.js developers, they are doing their stuff. It's outrageous, guys. And because of the pure functions, it's an inspiration for them to build React, to use these pure functions. Every single component is a function, and yeah, we need to know order functions, higher order functions, and we will also master how it works. Let's say map, let's say filter, let's say reduce, right? These functions and higher order functions, but not to how to use them. We will implement our these three functions to understand the basics, how it works and how it's going to do something, okay? So our next topic is higher order functions like this, and our fourth will be, you can guess. Our fourth will be like my favorite, not in general for me, I would ask. It's like if you're a functional developer, you can't do without closure. You need to have special relationship with closure, if you understand what I mean. And because of that, like we need to know how closure works, how it acts, how it gives the value, and what is a okay, I won't spoil you, let's say, like I will keep silent, and when we will be on this part in our course, you will know what is closure. So we will be getting started with closure like this. After one of the important part of the JavaScript in general and in functional programming, this is function composition. And what is composition? If you have no idea what is composition right now, don't worry, because we will cover it. After, it's one of the new feature, which is immutability. Immutability will be our topic, and after we will discuss and give takeaways. Something like this, guys, right? Something like this. I don't know why it's not working. Just 1 second. Discuss and make some takeaways, okay? So this is our syllabus we'll be covering. I won't go through like inside like which part what we will be covering, okay? Uh, because like I'm a bit lazy about it, but like I promise you that we will cover all this topic. It will be for you available, and all you need to do right now is to like this video to get more, so more people will see this course, more interaction we will have, and more developers will be in the global scope, okay? Not in a small scope. If you know scopes in JavaScript, you can understand what I'm saying right now. But yeah, also what I need you to do, as it's for free, as it's available for you, subscribe, man. You need to subscribe because if you want equality, if you want something special, if you're a developer and you don't find sometimes interesting content which is closely to real world, then you need to subscribe. With this subscribe click, you will help this course to finish first of all, and you will be able to finish this course as well. And also, if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have any ideas, I don't know. It might be something stupid, it might be something silly, it might be one of the greatest ideas in the world. Feel free to contact with me. And yeah, okay. Without further ado, guys, I'll finish here. It was like our first lecture. I showed you what we are going to do, and we already discussed some topics. There's nothing more to cover for the first introduction lecture, and all you need to do right now is to just subscribe and click the fucking notification button. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, probably. It depends. I will try my best to upload the videos every single day because I love doing this. I love functional programming, and yeah, we will do great. Hope you, yeah, guys, hope you enjoy it. Hope you are ready for functional programming journey, and see you in a bit.